Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we're practicing 222 simple questions and answers. Listen first, then repeat. Let's begin. Basic greetings. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How's it going? It's going well. What's your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I'm from London. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How was your day? It was great, thanks. What's new? Not much, just working. Personal information. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Where do you work? I work at a school. Are you married? Yes, I am. Do you have children? I have 2 children. Where do you live? I live in the city centre. What's your address? It's 10 Main Street. What's your phone number? It's 0791 234 567. Do you have siblings? I have 1 sister. Daily routines. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. When do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 8. How do you get to work? I take the bus. What time do you finish work? I finish at 5. What do you do in the evening? I watch television. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11. Do you work on weekends? No, I don't. Food and drink. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm very hungry. What would you like? I'd like a sandwich, please. Would you like tea or coffee? I'd like coffee, please. Do you like pizza? Yes, I love pizza. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. Are you thirsty? Yes, I'd like some water. Can I have the menu? Here you are. How much is this? It's £5. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Shopping. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a shirt. What size do you need? I need a medium. What colour would you like? I'd like blue, please. Can I try this on? Yes, the changing room is over there. Does it fit? Yes, it fits perfectly. How much does it cost? It costs £20. Is it on sale? Yes, it's 20% off. Do you accept returns? Yes, within 30 days. Weather. What's the weather like? It's sunny today. Is it raining? No, it's not raining. Is it cold outside? Yes, it's very cold. Do I need an umbrella? Yes, you should take one. What's the temperature? It's 15 degrees. Will it rain tomorrow? Yes, probably in the afternoon. Is it windy? Yes, it's quite windy. What's the forecast? It'll be cloudy all day. Travel and directions. Where's the station? It's on the left. How do I get there? Go straight and turn right. Is it far? No, it's very close. How long does it take? About 10 minutes. Which bus goes to the centre? The number 12 bus. Where's the nearest bank? It's next to the supermarket. Can you show me on the map? Yes, we're here. Am I going the right way? Yes, keep going straight. Health and feelings. How do you feel? I feel great. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. What's wrong? I have a headache. Are you feeling better? Yes, much better, thanks. Do you need a doctor? No, I'll be okay. Are you tired? Yes, I'm exhausted. Did you sleep well? Yes, very well. Are you stressed? A little bit, yes. Hobbies and free time. What do you like doing? I like reading books. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. What are your hobbies? I enjoy cooking and gardening. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Can you play an instrument? I can play the guitar. What do you do on weekends? I spend time with family. Do you watch films? Yes, I watch them often. What's your favorite film? My favorite is The Godfather. Plans and future. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm meeting a friend. When are you leaving? I'm leaving next week. Where are you going? I'm going to Spain. How long will you stay? I'll stay for 2 weeks. Are you going alone? No, I'm going with my wife. What will you do there? We'll visit the beaches. When will you be back? I'll be back on Monday. Will you call me? Yes, I'll call you tomorrow. Abilities and permissions. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Can you help me? Of course, no problem. May I ask a question? Yes, please do. Could you repeat that? Yes, certainly. Can I use your phone? Sure, here it is. May I sit here? Yes, please sit down. Could you open the window? Yes, of course. Can I borrow your pen? Yes, take it. Preferences and opinions. What do you think? I think it's great. Do you agree? Yes, I completely agree. Which do you prefer? I prefer the blue one. What's your opinion? In my opinion, it's good. Do you like it? Yes, I really like it. What's your favorite? My favorite is this one. Which is better? I think this one is better. Are you sure? Yes, I'm quite sure. Past experiences. Where did you go? I went to Paris. What did you do? I visited the museums. Did you have fun? Yes, I had a great time. When did you arrive? I arrived yesterday. How was your trip? It was wonderful. Did you see him? Yes, I saw him yesterday. What happened? I lost my keys. Did you find them? Yes, they were in my bag. Making arrangements. Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, what time? How about 3 o'clock? Perfect. See you then. Where shall we meet? Let's meet at the cafe. Should I bring anything? No, just bring yourself. Can you make it? Yes, I'll be there. What time suits you? Any time after 5 works. Shall I call you? Yes, please do. Can we reschedule? Yes, no problem. Problems and solutions. What's the problem? My car won't start. Do you need help? Yes, please. What should I do? You should call a mechanic. Is there a problem? No, everything's fine. Can you fix it? I'll try my best. How long will it take? About an hour. Is it expensive? Not too expensive. Will it work? Yes, it should work fine. Technology and communication. Do you have Wi-Fi? Yes, the password is on the wall. Can I charge my phone? Yes, there's a socket there. Did you get my message? Yes, I got it. Can you send me the file? Yes, I'll send it now. Is your phone working? Yes, it's working fine. Do you have email? Yes, it's john@email.com. Can you text me? Yes, I'll text you later. Did you see my post? Yes, I liked it. Work and study. What are you working on? I'm working on a report. Is it difficult? Yes, quite challenging. When is the deadline? It's due on Friday. Do you need help? No, I'm managing okay. What are you studying? I'm studying engineering. Which university do you attend? I attend Cambridge University. Do you have homework? Yes, quite a lot. When's your exam? It's next month. Fantastic work today. You've practiced 222 questions and answers. These will help you in daily conversations. Keep practicing every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.